In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Copilot chat history in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to clean up conversations you no longer need, all without changing any other browser settings. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. The quickest way is to click the Start menu, type Microsoft Edge and open it from the results. Give it a moment to launch so everything loads properly. Next, open Copilot inside Edge. Look to the top right corner of the browser and click the Copilot icon. When you click it, the Copilot panel slides in on the right side of your screen. This is where your chats live and where you'll manage them. If you're signed in with your Microsoft account, you'll typically see your conversations synced here. If you don't see the Copilot icon or you need to install Edge, I've placed the official Microsoft Edge download link at the very top of the description, along with the Copilot website link for quick reference. With the Copilot panel open, move your attention to the top of that panel. Click the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. This opens up a small menu with controls specific to Copilot. From that menu, select My Conversations. This view shows your previous chats in an organized list. You can scroll to find the exact conversation you want to remove. Each entry usually displays a title or the first line of the chat, which makes it easier to spot the right one. When you've found the chat you want to delete, click the Delete option for that conversation. Depending on your version, this may appear as a trash can icon, a Remove button, or a Delete action in a small submenu. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to proceed. The conversation will be removed from the list. If you're signed in and syncing across devices, the deletion will reflect there as well, after a short moment. Keep in mind that deleted conversations typically can't be recovered, so double check before you confirm. That's all there is to it. You opened Edge, launched Copilot, went into the Copilot menu, selected My Conversations, and removed the chats you no longer need. Your Copilot chat history in Microsoft Edge is now cleaned up and more organized. If this was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick how-tos. Thanks for watching.